I am Randy Varsava. Let's do business for God. I'm in Exodus chapter 9. I'm going to start at verse 18. This is during the 10 plagues in Egypt. In Exodus 9. I think I'll start at 18. Behold, boy, this is a dramatic moment, I'll tell you. Behold, tomorrow about this time, I will cause it to rain a very grievous or heavy hail. Hail. I will cause it to rain a very heavy hail, such as has not been in Egypt since the foundation thereof, even until now. I'm going to follow through. Send therefore now and gather thy cattle and all that thou hast in the field, for upon every man and beast which shall be found in the field and shall not be brought home, the hail shall come down upon them and they shall die. The hail is going to kill man and beast. Don't let that slip by you. The hail is going to kill man and beast. He that fears the word of the Lord amongst the servants of Pharaoh made his servants and his cattle flee into the houses. And he that regarded not, anybody that was not listening to this warning, the word of the Lord, left his servants and his cattle in the field. And the Lord said unto Moses, stretch forth thine hand toward heaven, that there may be hail in all the land of Egypt, upon man, upon beast, and upon every herb of the field, throughout the land of Egypt. And Moses stretched forth his rod toward heaven, and the Lord sent thunder and hail. Catch that. The Lord sent thunder and hail. And the fire. You know, you light a fire? And the fire ran upon the ground. Ran along upon the ground. Fire ran along upon the ground. Fire ran along upon the ground. Fire, people, fire ran along upon the ground. And the Lord rained hail upon the land of Egypt. So there was hail. Check this out in verse 24. So there was hail and fire. Wow. To this day, every time I hear this account, it's a wow. So there was hail and fire mingled. My margin says flashing continually, so I'll put that in there. So there was hail and fire flashing continually with the hail. Fire in the hail. Fire in the hail. Fire in the hail. When's the last time you saw that? And very grievous, such as there was none like it in all the land of Egypt since it became a nation. And the hail smote throughout all the land of Egypt, all that was in the field, both man and beast. And the hail smote every herb of the field and brake every tree of the field. This was at the time when Moses was ministering in the name of the Lord. I'm going to leave that there. Come back and see me next time.